Smoked salmon fish curry, or smoked salmon curry. Now this recipe is of South Indian origin, and in Singapore and Malaysia, southern fish curries are especially popular in banana leaf restaurants where your meal is served on a banana leaf. And South Indian dishes, like Sri Lankan, they tend to be sharper both in aroma and in flavor. South Indian and Sri Lankan recipes call for curry leaves, as we will be using here, and that lends a very different flavor profile to the curries of this region compared to the curries of the north. Now this smoked salmon curry it's something special. It's mine. Years ago, 15, 16 years ago, when I was expecting my oldest, I really fancied some South Indian curry. Now, I live in the UK, and so, started looking for things in the fridge to make the curry. And all I had were prawns and some smoked salmon in terms of the meat that was going to go in there. And, beggars can't be choosers. So I went ahead and cooked the curry with the prawns. And then I thought, right, let's try that smoked salmon in there. So I did. I put some smoked salmon right at the end, heated the curry right through just to heat the smoked salmon up. And I tell you, the flavor is just out of this world. I have never looked back since. And every time I make South Indian fish curry, I always put a handful of smoked salmon slivers right at the end for that final flavor profile. Try it, it really is amazing. So, having said that, I make this with salmon because it's I think, funnily enough, the strong flavor of salmon takes on the strong curry flavor so well here. But if you prefer other types of fish, swordfish, that's completely up to you. Cod, haddock, completely up to you. Even prawns, scallops, they all go so well here. So let's go look at those ingredients for one of my favorite curries ever.